What's going on, guys? I want to recap this Tesla trade that one of the members in Evolution Traders took this morning. I want to kind of outline it. For those of you guys who are already in the room at Evolution, you guys heard Andre talking about his Tesla play. You also heard me going over those live examples on those reversal plays where, the market's going one direction and then we get that, indicator that it may be time for a little bit of a bounce or a change in that short-term trend. I play them a lot. Again, they're not the best probability setups. They're not something that you can just solely look for. But again, when you can really identify them, you can make money, right? So that's what it's all about, being able to identify moves and being able to make the money. So what we're looking at Tesla's actually up pretty nice, almost 2% on the day. But you can see here, right off the bell, we put in this big spike and then we come tracing all the way back down to the original breakout spot. But one candle that I want you guys to focus on is this candle here, right? So when we come off of an extended period of selling into the last level or a bottom level of support, I look for these type of candles to start forming, okay? And when I identify that type of candle off of a big move down or a big move up, right? Because there's another one here after the big move up. But when you start to identify these candles here, what you can do and how you can react on this to make yourself a lot of money. And he got in on a 270 put or 270 calls, excuse me, the 270 calls, and he sold into that 273. Okay. So that 273 was this whole area here of supply. So again, if some of you guys want to maybe learn how we trade like this and learn how we use these areas of supply and demand, I have one spot left in my lifetime membership package where I offer mentorship, I offer courses, I offer a community, I offer live trading webinars, I offer all of this stuff. It's a one-time fee. Again, I only have one spot left. So I will keep posting until that one spot gets filled. When that one spot gets filled, it will come down. Okay. So whenever that happens, you won't hear me talking about it anymore. But I'm very, very OCD. I like to have an even number of people in my room to work with. I don't know. I'm OCD. Don't ask me any questions why. But as we came down into this level here, what you're looking for solely is green to take out red after an exhaustion move down. Okay, so this is your entry candle here. This is your stop loss here. And all you need to do after that is just sit. That's it. Either you're sitting in this until you get stopped out, or you're sitting in this until you're happy with the profits, or you're sitting in this until you hit that area of supply. That's it. However long it takes for you to get stopped out, or however long it takes for you to take your profits. Very, very simple. So try this out. Look for it, right? I know when I'm doing the live trading webinars, I'm trying to call these out in real time so we can, if not only take the trades, but even if we don't, we can identify them right as they're happening. Because taking that mental snapshot of something happening when it's happening allows you to be able to have confidence the next time you see it to just go ahead and take it, right? So we were calling this one out here in the webinar, and I know Andre took that trade for a nice gain. I mean, for a nice gain. So if you really look at, what was the, how much was it, right? So if he's getting in here over the 270s, right, as we're breaking back through 270s all the way up here to around 270, 260s, you're talking about almost a $2.50 move on, 5 options contracts, 10 options contracts, whatever your sizing is a phenomenal move. For me personally, I look to take $1.25, $1.50 off of Tesla. If I get $2, I consider that a home run trade. I really do. I'm not looking for $10 on Tesla. I'm not looking for 5. I'm not looking for 8. Would it be great to get it? Sure. But if I can get $1.50, if I can get $2, I'm happy. I'm happy because I know my position sizing. I know how much I'll make. I know how much I'll lose. It's comfortable. I can manage that. And that's what it comes down to at the end of the day, is being able to manage that. So if you guys want to see us on the inside, you guys want to trade with us, and more importantly, guys, you guys want to start betting on yourselves. At the end of the day, I can't, click the buttons for you. I can only teach you how to do this, but I can also help you along the way in the room. It's not just me. There's great traders in this room that are all looking to help, because when you make money, they make money. When I make money, you make money. When you make money, I can make money. So we can all use each other to make money in this market. And that's what is really powerful about having a strong team. This is not just, me sitting at the top trickling down information and telling you guys, listen to this, take this trade. I don't do that. I teach you guys how to use the charts to your advantage, which, if by using them to your advantage, can be to someone else's advantage. I hope that kind of makes sense. So with that being said, if you want to take me up on that last spot, that link is going to be down in the description box below. I'll see all of you guys on the next video. Again, phenomenal trade, Andre. You've been absolutely killing it. To everyone else who's also been killing it, we had some guys really kill it on the future side of things. We had someone kill it on SPY puts, up 20%. I'm just kind of reading in the Discord here. We had someone that took Caterpillar puts this morning, made a quick move on that. So again, we don't just trade Tesla. We don't just trade the NQ. We trade everything. Caterpillar, to Tesla, to NVIDIA, to SPY, whatever it is, futures, options, stocks, it doesn't really matter. We have people swing trading CVS, right? Again, everyone go to CVS's chart. We have members in our room calling out CVS at 65. At 65, I want you guys to go look at the price of what CVS is right now. And I'll just kind of end the video right here. It's currently trading at $70. Very, very low risk trade there. And they got in at 65 bucks, right? So again, it helps to have people who know what they're looking at, and it helps to learn from other traders. I'll see all of you guys on the next video, or I'll see that one person on the inside.